The courtroom was tense, the air thick with anticipation, as JD Vance, a man known for his sharp wit and unyielding determination, stood before the judge. The case had drawn significant attention, not just for its legal implications, but for the personalities involved. The judge, known for his brusque demeanor and often cutting remarks, had a reputation for being harsh, even dismissive toward those who stood before him. Today, however, he would meet his match. As Vance began to present his case, the judge interrupted him almost immediately, his tone dripping with condescension. "Mr. Vance," he sneered, "your argument is as weak as your understanding of the law. Do you even know why you're here?" The courtroom gasped at the blatant disrespect, but Vance remained calm, his eyes steady. He had faced far worse in his life, and he wasn't about to let a rude judge derail him. Vance, a former Marine and best-selling author, had built his career on resilience and a refusal to back down. He responded with measured clarity, reframing his argument and citing precedent with precision. But the judge wasn't having it. He continued to belittle Vance, his insults growing more personal with each passing minute. "Perhaps if you spent less time writing books and more time studying the law, you wouldn't be in this mess," the judge quipped, eliciting a few nervous chuckles from the gallery. What the judge didn't realize was that Vance had come prepared, not just with legal arguments, but with evidence of the judge's own misconduct. As the judge continued his tirade, Vance calmly reached into his folder and produced a series of documents. "Your Honor," he began, his voice steady but firm, "while you've been busy insulting me, you might want to take a look at these." He handed the documents to the bailiff, who passed them to the judge. The room fell silent as the judge scanned the papers, his face turning pale. The documents detailed a pattern of unethical behavior, including ex parte communications and evidence of bias in previous cases. The judge's hands trembled as he realized the gravity of what he was holding. Before he could respond, the doors of the courtroom swung open, and 2 federal agents entered, their badges glinting in the fluorescent light. "Your Honor," one of the agents said, "you're under arrest for obstruction of justice and violation of judicial ethics." The courtroom erupted in chaos as the judge was read his rights and handcuffed in front of everyone. Vance stood quietly, his expression unreadable, as the man who had moments ago been hurling insults was led away in disgrace. The incident sent shockwaves through the legal community, sparking debates about judicial conduct and accountability. For Vance, it was a vindication of his belief that no one is above the law, not even a judge who thinks he can hide behind his robe. As he left the courtroom, reporters swarmed him, but he offered only a simple statement. "The truth doesn't need insults to win, it just needs to be heard." The story of the rude judge who insulted JD Vance only to end up in handcuffs became a viral sensation, a reminder that arrogance and power are no match for integrity and preparation. And for those who witnessed it, the moment served as a powerful lesson in the importance of standing up for what's right, no matter who tries to stand in your way.